Welcome to Great Garden. Here, every day we nurture nature together and find joy in the little things. I always believe that with just a little love and patience, your small garden can become a vibrant paradise. Many of you have asked me about how to take care of newly purchased orchids. That is why, in today's video, we will explore a completely natural orchid care method that is both simple and effective, helping the plant recover quickly, develop strong roots, lush green leaves, and longer-lasting flowers. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe so you won't miss the latest videos on Phalaenopsis orchid care. Let's get started. The main ingredient we'll be using today is the banana, a familiar fruit found in almost every household kitchen. Do you often eat bananas at home? Bananas are not only a nutritious food for us, but also a wonderful treasure trove of nutrients for your orchids. After cutting the bananas into small pieces like this, I'll put them all into a pot and add just enough water to cover the bananas. Next, bring it to a boil over high heat until the water starts boiling. Once it boils, I'll lower the heat and let it simmer gently for about 40 minutes. This simmering process helps release the maximum amount of nutrients such as potassium, phosphorus, calcium, and vitamins from the bananas into the water. After 40 minutes, you'll notice the water turning a deep golden color with a natural banana fragrance. This is when we get the concentrated solution to use as fertilizer for orchids. Be sure to let the banana water cool down completely before using it to avoid damaging the roots when they come into contact with a hot solution. Once the water has completely cooled, I'll pour all the simmered bananas into a blender and blend them until the mixture becomes smooth and uniform. Blending the bananas helps release any remaining nutrients from the fruit's flesh, ensuring they are fully dissolved into the solution. This creates a more concentrated and nutrient-rich natural fertilizer. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. After blending, I'll use a thin cloth or a strainer to completely remove the banana pulp, making the solution clear and easy to use for watering or spraying orchids without worrying about clogging the sprayer. The banana pulp left after straining won't go to waste. I'll make use of it by applying it to the base of other plants in the garden. This is an excellent source of organic fertilizer that, as it slowly decomposes in the soil, provides potassium, phosphorus, and essential minerals, enriching the soil and improving the microbial environment around the roots. With the banana solution obtained, we'll use it to care for the orchids. Method 1. First, I'll use a small amount of the filtered banana solution to wipe the leaves of the orchids in the garden. I soak the solution into a soft cloth or cotton pad, then gently wipe both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves. Wiping the leaves in this way brings multiple benefits for the orchids. Not only does it supply nutrients directly through the leaf surface, allowing the plant to quickly absorb essential elements such as potassium, vitamins, and minerals from the banana solution, but it also acts as a natural cleaning process. By removing layers of dust, dirt, and harmful microorganisms that often cling to the leaves, we give the plant a healthier environment to thrive in. Clean leaves mean that the stomata, the tiny pores responsible for gas exchange, remain open and unobstructed. This allows the orchids to breathe more easily, regulate moisture better, and perform photosynthesis more effectively. Over time, this simple care routine can improve the plant's overall vigor, making the leaves greener, the stems sturdier, and the flowers more radiant. Regularly wiping the leaves will make them naturally glossy green, limit the growth of fungal diseases, and at the same time, allow you to easily monitor the plant's health and detect pests or diseases in time. This is one of the simplest yet most effective methods that brings long-term benefits to the healthy growth of orchids. Method 2. I'll dilute the banana solution with 1 liter of clean water to lower its concentration, making it safer for the orchids to absorb the nutrients. After that, I pour a portion of the diluted solution into a misting bottle. Next, I spray a fine mist evenly over the entire leaves, stems, and aerial roots of the orchids in the garden. This misting creates a thin layer of nutrients covering the leaf surfaces, allowing the plants to quickly absorb them through the stomata. At the same time, the fine mist also provides essential moisture, which is especially beneficial during hot and dry days. This method offers more than just a quick boost of nutrients. It actively supports the orchid's long-term health. By misting the diluted banana solution over the leaves, stems, and aerial roots, we provide a gentle yet effective way for the plant to absorb essential elements. Over time, the leaves will become glossier, thicker, and stronger, while the roots and new shoots will be stimulated to grow more vigorously. When practiced regularly, this care routine helps prevent common issues such as leaf burn or wrinkling that often result from dehydration or nutrient imbalance. The fine mist also maintains a favorable level of humidity around the plant, creating an environment similar to its natural habitat. As a result, the orchids not only grow healthier, but also increase their resilience against stress and disease. Most importantly, consistent misting with this solution encourages the orchids to bloom more reliably and with greater vibrancy, rewarding you with lush, long-lasting flowers season after season. Method 3. I'll pour the diluted banana solution into a watering can and then water it directly at the base of the orchid. When watering, I'll pour slowly around the base so the solution can soak evenly into the growing medium, allowing the roots to fully absorb the nutrients. Using this banana solution for root watering directly supplies potassium, phosphorus, and other natural minerals from the banana to the root system, stimulating new roots to grow longer, stronger, and anchor more firmly into the medium. With a healthy root system, the orchid can take up water and nutrients more efficiently, which in turn promotes vigorous growth of new shoots and stronger flower spikes. Maintaining root watering every 2 to 3 weeks will keep the orchids vigorous, encourage even sprouting, and enhance their blooming potential. This method nourishes the plant from deep within, helping it recover quickly after flowering or after being repotted. If you don't have much time to prepare this boiled nutrient solution, there's still an extremely simple and quick way to make use of bananas right after eating them. Just cut the banana peel into smaller pieces, then use the inner side of the peel to gently wipe both surfaces of the orchid leaves. By wiping the leaves with the inner side of a banana peel, you're doing more than just cleaning off the dust to make them look shinier. You're also giving the plant a natural nutrient boost right through its leaf surface. Banana peels are packed with potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, and small amounts of natural vitamins, all of which orchids can absorb directly when applied this way. These nutrients contribute to greener, thicker, and healthier leaves, which in turn improve the plant's ability to photosynthesize efficiently. Over time, this simple method strengthens the orchid's overall vitality, helping it grow sturdier stems, develop new shoots more easily, and build up the energy reserves needed for producing flowers. It doesn't stop at boiling. The banana can also be applied in another simple yet highly effective way. After eating a banana, cut the peel into small pieces like this, then place them into a clean bottle or glass jar. Next, pour boiling water into the jar at a ratio of 1 banana peel to 1 liter of boiling water. Soaking the banana peel in boiling water helps release nutrients such as potassium, phosphorus, calcium, and vitamins into the water more quickly, without the need for prolonged cooking on the stove. Let this mixture sit until the water has completely cooled. Once the water has cooled, strain out the banana peels and keep the nutrient-rich liquid. You can then use it in the 3 methods mentioned earlier, wiping the leaves, misting, or watering the roots. This approach is both quick and effective, preserving the maximum amount of nutrients from the banana peel. It's an ideal method for those who want to save time while still taking care of their orchid garden efficiently. If you prepare too much fertilizer solution and can't use it all at once, don't throw it away. You can simply divide the solution into smaller bottles like this, seal them tightly, and store them in the refrigerator to keep them fresh. This method helps the solution maintain its nutrient content for several weeks without fermenting too quickly or losing its natural aroma. Whenever you need to care for your orchids, simply take out a bottle, let it return to room temperature, and use it as usual. After 3 months of consistent care with the banana solution, you'll notice a remarkable change in your orchids. The plants will have produced many new roots that cling firmly to the growing medium, helping them stand upright and absorb nutrients more efficiently. The leaves will appear shinier, thicker, and sturdier than before. What's especially exciting is that new flower buds have started to appear along the stems, signaling a brilliant blooming season ahead. For orchids that are already in their blooming stage, the flowers last longer on the stems, retaining their vibrant colors and fresh beauty. Keep maintaining this banana water care routine weekly to ensure your orchids stay healthy, bloom consistently, and display long-lasting blossoms throughout the year. If you've ever tried this method on your orchids, feel free to share your results in the comments below so that everyone can learn from your experience. Your journey can be an inspiration to other orchid lovers and help strengthen our growing community by sharing more valuable tips and tricks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button to support the channel and share it with fellow orchid enthusiasts. And be sure to subscribe to Great Garden so you won't miss any of the upcoming orchid care videos I'll be sharing. Every like and subscription from you is a great motivation for me to keep creating better content, making our garden more and more vibrant. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. Goodbye for now, and I'll see you in the next one.